this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through an isometric exercise known as the wall sit. Now, firstly, the main muscle worked in the wall sit is going to be the front of your thigh, the quadriceps. And you'll notice here I've got a wall which I'm going to be using and also a chair. Now, I'm going to go through the beginner version of this and then I'll go through the more advanced version as well. So I want to go through this beginner version and why I've got the chair here. Now, for a lot of people, I'll get them to be doing wall sits at home where I'm not present during the exercise. And it's really important for me that when they get into position, that they have a bit of security, so when they're doing it, they can really push themselves during the wall sit and not have to worry about collapsing down onto the floor or struggling to bring themselves back up to a standing position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my calves in contact with this chair. I'm then going to come back into a position where I've got my head, my upper back, mid back and lower back all in contact with the wall. From here, I'm going to slide down to a position where I'm just hovering off the chair. Now, this is great for somebody that is new to the exercise because they know they can really push the amount of time they can do and load them quadriceps isometrically. And then when they are done and they get to the point where they physically can't do any more, they can then just come back down onto the chair. Now, of course, for the harder version, you're going to do exactly the same cues, but just without the chair. So you'll be taking a step away from the wall, feet hip width apart, head, mid, upper and lower back on the wall. From here, coming down, try and get to a 90-degree angle at the knees if you can. If you can't, just come a little bit higher up with the hips. You can have your hands like so, or you can have them out to the side. And once you're done, you can either come out of that position or use your hands on the wall to assist you when coming up. That's how to do a wall sit, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and seconds.